Welcome to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Did you know you can pull local disclosures directly from the Bay East homepage if you're a Realtor member? Start by going to bayeast.org. Hover over MLS and Tools and select Disclosures and Disclaimers. If you're not already logged into your Bay East portal, go ahead and log in. Remember, this benefit is available for Realtor members only. On the right side of the screen, click Resource Library. Then select Disclosures and Disclaimers. From there, choose the disclosures you'd like to download. Once you've made your selections, be sure to click the Download button. And that's it. Now you know how to find disclosures on the Bay East website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Grab and Go video.